thank you guys so much for coming back today. So appreciate it. So today's video is something completely random. I've got no idea at all what I'm doing right now. I was just, if I'm being completely honest, I have filmed 3 videos this week and none of them have worked. It's just like one of those weeks. Sometimes I just film and like the look is just like so bad and just like, there's just no way I can use it. So this is actually my 4th time sitting down this week trying to film. And I am not planning anything. I've just decided that, you know what, it's not working, so let's just sit down and just freaking figure it out on the spot. Anyway, so today's video is completely random, much like the one on my Patreon, so if you're not signed up to my Patreon, the link is in the description. There's a brand new look on there as well. Go sign up, go check it out. So that's it, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get all my stuff together, I'll be right back, I'm gonna get started, see you guys in 2 seconds, bye. Okay, so, we're gonna start with some foundation. We're only going to do kind of the top half of our face because it's going to be a lot of fallout. Kind of just going to go all over the brows as well because we kind of want to conceal them, but like not really. It's like not really that big of a deal. It's whatever. So just going to do that. Blend all that out. Alright, super simple. We're just going to set that now. Then we're going to straight into shadows. Easy peasy Japanesey. Okay, so now that we have a good base, we're gonna go in with some shadows. So, let's do this. Alright, so we're starting in with, this is the Kryolan palette. I'm taking this matte purple here. It's like a purpley violet color, purpley pink color. Packing that on the brush, and we are gonna go straight in. So this look is like kind of going to be a bit messy, not messy, but like not too like structured. Kind of just want it to be like whatever, not a big deal. So that's the basic shape of the eye. We're going to come in and like fix up the brows and, you know, do a bit of that, but that's it for now. So do that in the other eye. Alright, going in with a few darker purples now. This is the Morphe 35B palette.
Life is just always...
This is like just makeup that just makes me so happy. This is the kind of makeup that I can always go back to and like I'll always enjoy doing it. This is very like Dior Pat McGrath inspired. And it's just like, especially when I'm in kind of like a rut like this, like not a rut, I'm really not in a rut at all. I just can't seem to like get the techniques down that I want to get down, which is like super frustrating when you like know that you want to do something but you can't figure out how to do it. Damn it, I like want to do that, but I just can't figure out the way, like a proper way to do it. So when I'm feeling like this is always like something that I like to just come back to because it's super, not that it's easy particularly, but I think it's really effective. And it's just like it is exciting. Like, you know, you just get to work with like a lot of different colors and like, it's really dramatic. It's like, you know, I don't know. I really enjoy it. So that is why we are doing this week on my channel. Right, now with some black, just slowly getting darker. Blending this into our crease here. And then as we come up to the crease in here, we're blending this up to the top of the brow bone there as well. See that? If you are doing a look like this, my biggest piece of advice is to have 2 different brushes. So I've got a bigger fluffy brush and like a more pointed, like precise one. So you build up color with this one and then you go in and you blend out with this one. So I'm not putting any product on this one. This is just like going over and picking up product that's already there and then blending it all out. And then you look gorgeous, hopefully. No, you will. Alright, now it's time to go in with a little bit more precision. So taking a smaller blending brush and our same black. And Let's do it.
It's just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. So.
I'm gonna brush off that smaller brush and going back into that original purple from the Kryolan palette. Just blending in this front bit here. Oh, I just spent like 10 minutes trying to find this one thing, and it was right in front of me. Don't you just love that? So much fun, so much fun. All right, so we're gonna start in with a few different things now. So I'm gonna go first in with this is the Kryolan Illusion. God, Kryolan, I have to be honest, you are terrible at specifying exactly what it is. None of the stuff has like explanation, names on them or anything. They've just got random names. Illusion Satin. It's like this cream highlighter. It's really quite pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna take a flat brush. It's like really nice and iridescent. It's quite lovely, I have to admit. And we're gonna start packing this on the lid. And much like the rest of the eye, it's not gonna be super precise. Just wherever. We are gonna go over with some other stuff as well, so don't worry. Okay, gorgeous. Now for some loose shadow. So taking the Sugarpill loose shadow in Ghosted. This is a very similar color. It's super iridescent. I'm gonna actually take this on a brush. Okay, now I'm gonna take a bit of this one. This is Clickbate. It's like a emerald green. I'm gonna sort of put that. We're gonna sort of go in and blend it all out, and you know, it's not gonna be such a big deal in the end. Okay, now taking my brush. I'm gonna take this one. This is like, oh, this one is so gorgeous. Holy shit. This is Royal Sugar. It's like a super emerald blue. Gonna place some of this in the top bit here, I think. Along with a bit of Countess. And this is exactly why we do our eyes first, because the fallout is just ridiculous. All right, now straight in with our brush, really just blending it all together. Kind of want it just to be like this big, like kind of messy mix of like colors and bloody gorgeousness. I'm gonna paint a bit of this like iridescent stuff into the brows. This is another one of my favorite Sugarpill products. This is the pressed eyeshadow in Soot and Stars. It's a really deep, dark, pigmented black, but it's really like shimmery and pigmented. Which is perfect for this look, because this look isn't particularly matte. So I'm just putting this on the obvious areas. So at the back there and towards the front. Okay, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I think it's about time to move on to foundation. So let's get rid of everything under here. So we want to be careful with these lines. We don't want the lines to be too like precise. So I'm not actually going to cut a straight line. I'm going to leave them quite messy, I think. Tiny bit of primer just so our obviously so foundation goes on a little bit nicer. Paint stick all over. A bit of contour. Alright, and as for concealer, we're literally using the tiniest bit. I don't even think we need any. But just to kind of brighten up the face, for that sake, I'm going to put on a tiny bit. I'm going to just take the tiniest bit of concealer now. Do a little bit of a nose contour. I kind of don't want to, but I feel like we kind of need to do something because it always ends up looking just a tiny bit crazy if I don't. I really am liking it being super like dewy because it just is the vibe of the whole look. It's just really dewy. So I'm going to try and set it as little as possible. Blend this out, get rid of our creases. Alright, bronzer. If I can find it, I'm just using what's on the freaking end of my brush. Oop, there she is. There she is, boys. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of baking, or not baking, just using this to fall out, because we are going to move down the bottom now. This is one bit here that's super annoying. We are going to bake. What am I saying? Of course we're going to bake. Starting with our purple, and just connecting these lines now, basically. Right, bit of black. Okay, now in the inner corners, I'm going to take that cream highlighter again. Pack this on. Straight over the top of, with our pigment. Gorgeous. Now I'm taking this roll-on green shimmer glitter stuff. And pretty simple, we're just rolling that on the bottom. We might do a little bit of, and now a lot of mascara. Amazing, I love it. See, like I said, this kind of eye, oh, just gets me so excited. Okay, I'm gonna take the back of my beauty blender here and cover my lips in foundation. Okay, so I think we're gonna do red lips. So this is the Marc Jacobs La Marque lipstick. I'm gonna rub a bunch of it on the back of my hand just to warm it up. Then I'm gonna actually take my finger and dab it on. Really don't want this to be super perfect. Kind of want it outside of the lines. Okay, I'm actually gonna take a little sponge and use this. Just because I can't get it super precise with my finger. So we're definitely only focusing on the top and the bottom. Like we're not going outwards at all. Okay, gorgeous. So pretty. Now, lip gloss. Taking the Marc Jacobs enamoured lip gloss in Forbidden Fruit. putting this all over. Gorgeous. Literally obsessed. Alright, let's get rid of this powder. You know what? I actually really liked that white there. I'm going to take some white shadow and just do like a big brush. Sort of put some white on here. I just need a tiny bit of blush. I think I'm going to go in with like more of a orangey blush this time around. Honestly, not a lot. I'm kind of liking the way it looks already. Now, tiniest bit of highlighter. Not a lot. I'm just actually going to use what's left on my brush here. We're done, you guys. I am so obsessed. See, this is what happened. I just follow what I know will work. It'll work 100% every single time. Okay, guys, this is it. I love it. I'm really obsessed with it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm gonna use my own hair for this look. And I'll be back and we'll be done and that'll be it. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. This is the finished look and I am obsessed with it. See, I told you this never fails. Never fails. So this is the finished look. We have our gorgeous details in the hair and this is it. So again, if you guys are not signed up to my Patreon, go sign up to my Patreon. There's a new video up there as well. It's linked down below. That's it. Please let me know what you thought in the comments. Give it a like, give me a subscribe if you're not already, that would be amazing. And I'll see you guys next Monday. Thank you for watching. Bye.